Hey everyone, and welcome to your problem solving lesson with capacity, ACMMG-061. In this lesson, we're going to look at some strategies that we can use to solve problems that involve capacity. My first one involves capacity in milliliters. So here I have a container of hand soap, and I know that the capacity is 250 milliliters because it says it on the label. And I know that each time I pump the hand soap all the way down, I get 3 milliliters of hand gel out. 3 ml. Now, I told the family to go and wash their hands before dinner. I have 5 people in my family, so I'm wondering how many milliliters of hand soap will I have after 5 people have gone to wash their hands. Now, the first thing that we need to figure out is the total of the amount of hand gel that 5 people will use. So we know that one pump uses 3 milliliters. So we might use our multiplication to solve how many milliliters in total 5 people would use. So we have 3 milliliters multiplied by 5. And we know that 3 multiplied by 5, or 3 groups of 5, is actually 15. And we need to put milliliters because we're talking about milliliters. So we're talking about 15 milliliters there. Another way I could have figured that out is called repeated addition. So I could have said 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 15 as well. Alright, so we know that the family will use 15 milliliters of hand soap to wash their hands. Now what we want to figure out is what is left in the container, in a fresh container, in a new container of hand soap once the whole family has washed their hands. So I need to do a subtraction sum. So I have 250 milliliters to start with in my new container minus 15 milliliters equals, so I'm going to subtract 10 first. So 250 mils minus 10 equals 240 milliliters, and then I can cross that out, and I've only got 5 mils to go, so then I can start with 240 milliliters minus 5 equals 235 milliliters. So I have 235 milliliters of hand soap left in my container once my family of 5 go and wash their hands for dinner. Excellent. So now we're going to move on to solving problems using liters. Okay, so we're going to do problem solving with liters. So here I have a 40 litre pool. It's hot and it's summertime, and I want to fill it up because I want to go and chill out and cool down. But I only have one 5 litre bucket to fill up my pool. And I'm wondering how many times I'm going to have to fill up that bucket to fill up my pool. So, 40 litres. How many 5 litre buckets will I need to get to 40 litres? Can you think of the most efficient way or effective way to solve this problem? There are a couple of ways that I could go about it. One of them is using multiplication. If I was very confident in my multiplication, I would know that all multiplication sums multiplying 5 end in either a 5 or a 0. So I know that 5 multiplied by something will equal 40. So I could use my skip counting to solve what that something could be. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now how many jumps did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's safe to say that 5 litre buckets multiplied by 8 will equal 40. So I would have to fill up my 5 litre bucket 8 times and empty it into my pool to get 40 litres. Alright, I hope you have learnt some helpful strategies to solve problems about capacity. You could also use these problem solving strategies and apply them to other concepts other than capacity. So good luck with your capacity problem solving questions and enjoy.